Hola, hola, hi friends and family. Hope everyone is doing well and keeping themselves safe and dry. I'm making this video right now and it's like pouring rain. So if you hear any of this noise, that's what it is. It's raining. It's like really pouring. The restroom was one of the things that was driving me bananas. Like, I hated going in there. I hated just being in there. Like, I could literally bleach that whole room, like that whole restroom, and it still felt dirty to me. It was bad. It was ugly. And just the vibe itself, it was really outdated. It had this really bad yellow color that I just couldn't stand anymore. And I thought it'd be interesting to show you how I managed to change my restroom. Super easy and super simple. Of course, you can definitely make changes to what I'm about to show you, like different paints and everything. But yeah, I managed to change my restroom just by doing little basic things here and there, just by painting it and just changing some of the appliances. And if that's something interesting to you, if you want to know how I managed to do it, I'm gonna give you some tips and that I wish I would have known before going in on it, and some ideas to consider if before even pursuing a remodeling for the first time. So if that is interesting to you, then keep on watching. So this is how the restroom looked before. As you can see, this is the color that I was talking about. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it, and I'm not a big fan of the vanity as well. It's just the restroom had all these like wood appliances. Even the switches were yellow. We got one light bulb that's not working. This color, I don't know, like it just made the space look really dirty. I like yellow, but I like it on my piñatas. I don't like it in my restroom, so I just wanted to paint it all white to give it a nice clean slate here. There's Milo. He's always looking at what I'm doing. And another thing about this restroom that's kind of weird is the framing. It has all these like weird walls that just doesn't make sense, but I can't really change that. Wanted to add a shelf in there, but I'm not gonna do that. I just wanted to keep this renovation to like a bare minimum kind of thing. So I talk about it, but I'm not going to do it. And I am not a fan of the vanity. That's why I'm going to paint the vanity. And I couldn't do anything about the color of in the shower. So I'm just going to leave it as is. But yeah, this is how it looked before. And we're going to get started. In my opinion, just painting the ceilings and the walls just made it feel 10 times, 1,000 times better. But this is like the aftermath of me painting everything, and yeah, I was pretty happy with how it was looking. It just felt crisp and clean in there, and there I am filming. And yeah, I just couldn't be happier with the results of just painting a space white. Okay, so my first mission today is to get these sanded and painted, and I'm gonna change these hardware, fix these little things here. They're just kind of outdated. I'm gonna fix that into like gold. So the theme here, it's gonna be like this green. I'm gonna leave this because I can't really change this for right now. I might change it. I just want to see how it looks like later on. I'm sorry if my restroom looks really gross, but it's just a mess. I am not a fan of this restroom, so I just wanted to fix it here and there. Who knows if maybe they'll let us change that, or you know, at least maybe I'll get some of that sticker that goes on it or something like that. But right now what my mission today is just to sand these, and if I can paint them, but it's kind of late in the day, so I'm probably not gonna have a chance to do that. I'm just gonna be painting these things. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna be sanding this today and get that done. And I'm gonna be changing the mirror, and I'm gonna be changing the light, and let's go ahead and do that. So now I'm just gonna take these little things off, the little handles, so I can sand it properly. A little hot tip when you're sanding, you want to go with the way that the wood is, like with the grain, if that makes sense. You don't want to go against it. That's what I've learned. And you want to make sure that when you're done sanding all your pieces, that you have a wet rag and then a dry rag to make sure you finalize and get any excess particles from it. So I finished the doors, and now I'm gonna finish this little piece that I has on the vanity, and then from there hopefully I have enough time to paint it and just, you know, be done with this. But for now, this is my homework today. So okay, let's get started on this. You also want to make sure, if you are sanding, make sure to sand somewhere that's like nicely ventilated. I couldn't take this piece off, so I just put my mask off so I wouldn't be breathing in those small particles into my body. Okay, so I just finished sanding the top part of this vanity down, and I finished sanding the doors as well. And since it is it's gonna be 8 already, I thought I would probably call it a day, and I was just gonna make myself like a little cup of tea and just go to bed and start from the morning. I'm gonna paint tomorrow. I'm gonna try to paint the vanity, but anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna finish here, just finish up this and then call it a day, and then tomorrow I'll probably take it up, do it again, and paint it. I'll probably paint this tomorrow, and hopefully it doesn't look bad. Hopefully it turns out looking decent, or just cute, maybe, you know, quirky or something like that. Yeah, hopefully this work that I'm putting into this isn't in vain. But yeah, I'm gonna just call it a night, and I will see you guys tomorrow night. So this is like getting close to the final touches, but I just wanted to remove this mirror. I have my boyfriend here removing it because it was quite heavy, and I was scared of what was behind that mirror, so I didn't want to deal with it. I had him deal with it, you know. I took off the mirror. This was originally the color that was here, but we just changed it to white because I wanted to have like a fresh open space. I don't know, I like white. It makes everything look clean. It just didn't look clean in here, so I'm gonna just paint over it, and then I'm gonna try to see if I can take these little things out right here. That one looks to be fine. I can paint over these, but yeah, and then hopefully I'm gonna clean all this too. Like, I'm gonna do some deep cleaning in this restroom. But yeah, today the goal is to get the cabinets painted, And then from there, we can do the detailing and then the light fixtures and then see how it goes. Yeah, so here I go. Everything's all white now, so I'm very happy about that. And now I'm just gonna move to the top part of this vanity, and I'm just gonna paint it this color, green, like a foresty green. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started on this, and hopefully I'm done today. I have to put the mirror up. That's another thing I want to do, so a lot of little steps here and there, but I just want to get this done today. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I am done painting the cabinet doors actually, and then the top part right here. But I'm just gonna have these kind of set. I'm gonna move these, but I have to finish tomorrow. But it's actually quite liking it, and just clean everything up, hang the mirror, change the light, but everything's looking really good. And first timer, I think I've done a good job, despite that I have no knowledge of this. So yeah, quite happy. Catch you guys tomorrow, and hopefully we will be done. All right, and this is the final look. I'm so happy with my restroom now. I feel like I can finally do my makeup here and enjoy the process. But I really like how just simple paint and just simple appliances can really change and spice up a restroom. And unfortunately, I didn't film myself putting all these things together, but I hope you still enjoy it and like how it turned out. The first thing I wanted to talk about is one of my favorite pieces in the whole restroom is this triangle towel rack that I got from Amazon. I just wanted to play around with the shapes in my restroom. I do like shapes, so that's why I got it, and it plays with that farmhouse kind of feel. And this towel, I got it from Target, really cute, simple. And this oval mirror, I got it at Hobby Lobby. And this light fixture, I got it at Amazon as well. I just wanted to play around with that farmhouse meets plant lady kind of vibe, and I feel like I hit it in my opinion. And these handles, I got these handles, these gold plated handles at Lowe's, and they were quite inexpensive as well. Another thing I just wanted to mention is to make sure you don't buy the cheapy tape. Not all tapes are the same. I got the cheapy tape and it left little streaks, so be warned if you do purchase cheapy tape. And for this little section here, I wanted to keep it simple by just adding a little hanging plant from the Joanna Gaines collection from Target, and this little frame that says "You clean up nice" from Hobby Lobby. I thought it'd be a nice little message as I get out the shower. And another thing I got was this toilet paper holder. I got it from Amazon. I like the shape, so I wanted to add it to the restroom. And also this IKEA towel rack wasn't expensive as well. And here's another item that I forgot to mention. These are shower curtain rings that I got at Target from the same Joanna Gaines collection. They are copper and they're just this super simple shower curtain rings, and I believe they cost me about $10. And I wanted to add another element of metal in the restroom because I wanted my restroom to tie in with the rest of my room, and I do have copper elements, and so I thought it'd be a nice little touch to tie in everything. So that's why I purchased this, and I couldn't be happier. It's easy to put on as well. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. I'm gonna be doing maybe like a second part to this restroom remodel video, because I know I'm gonna want to do something on the very back, like make a mural, like a watercolor mural to it. So that's gonna be really fun, and also just get little trinkets here and there. I know this restroom definitely needs a little bit more, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So if that is something that you want to see, keep a lookout for that and subscribe. And I hope you have a beautiful day today. I hope this video found you well and you are nice and cozy, or nice and fresh if you're somewhere that's really warm. And I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye. Future, I'm planning on doing like a mural. Hi. Oh my god, no. See you in my next video. Bye. So if you come to the end, hello. Are you tired of your restroom? So am I. So that's why I changed it. How I managed to change my restroom from this hideous thing to now this. Maybe slightly less hideous.